God's command to Israel to drive the Canaanites out of the land when he delivered the land over to Israel was not a command to commit genocide, as people like Dawkins and others have claimed. There was no command issued that they were to chase down and exterminate all of these people. Rather, these nations were to be destroyed as political entities, as nation states. They were being divested of the land, and the land was being given over to Israel. And so, if these Canaanite clans that had been inhabiting the land had simply left in the face of the advancing Israeli armies, nobody needed to die at all. There was no genocidal command. They were rather being driven out of the land and divested of the land. And anybody that was killed simply because they remained behind to fight and resist the Israeli armies that were coming in.